Are you looking for a condominium for your investment, rental business, Airbnb business, or even a starting home? I present you Solara Park Stories, Nuvali. This is the Premier Estates Ayala Land by Cristina Arañez. Before I tour you or ipakita sa inyo ang showroom namin, let me tour you around here papunta sa mismong site through a quick drive tour. Let's go! So for now, dito tayo manggagaling sa Soledad 1. Sa mga previous video ko, lagi tayo from Nuvali entrance or dun sa logo ng Nuvali. Pero ngayon, since located ang showroom ni Avida dito sa Soledad 1, let's start from here. Una niyong makikita dito ang Museum for Architecture and Residences designed by Mr. Su Fujimoto, a Japanese architect. It is a mixed-use development and a 12-floor building. Nasa baba, merong mga museums, exhibits, art galleries, and sa taas naman, merong mga condo na may sariling hot spring and onsen. Sunod natin na makikita ay si Techno Hub. Ito naman is future IT offices and BPO offices which will open job opportunities in the future. Next is the Monochrome Events Place, isa sa mga establishment na pwede natin ma-maximize as a Nuvali resident. Sunod is LHK South. Diyan naman yung mga premium offices by Ayala Land and it is 11th floor building. Next is the East Block. This is the pocket business district in the Valley North with a size of 11.7 hectares na will open establishments, corporate offices na pag pinagsama ito nasa right side natin na North Central Business District na 5 times the size of East Dock and the Lakeside EV Zone yung dinaanan natin kanina. Ito yung magiging future BGC in Nuvali North. Dito rin natin makikita si Nuvali Sands Court kung saan ginaganap ang mga international events. Imagine, in Nuvali North pa lang, grabe na yung lifestyle as a Nuvali resident. And aside from those na nakita natin, dito rin sa Nuvali North located yung Visually Nuvali, which is the man-made lake, and yung mga shopping centers natin like Ayala Mall Soledad 1, 2, 3, and upcoming is Soledad 4. The SNR and the Landers and commercial spaces like McDo, Coffee Bean Tea and Leaf na may roof deck, Uniqlo na may sariling play park, and upcoming na si Jollibee this second quarter of 2025 and magkakaroon din ng parks dyan also this second quarter of 2025. Aside from that, ginagawa na rin si SM Yulo Premier. And as a person na born and raised in Laguna and currently living in Nuvali, I'm also happy to announce na may gagawin na 2 hectares civic complex in Nuvali. Sobrang ganda kasi more convenient na siya sa atin in the future. Magkakaroon siya ng sports complex, one-stop government offices like BIR and SSS, convention centers kung saan ginaganap ang mga concerts, events, and sport facilities na makakadagdag sa factor ng market value appreciation here in Nuvali. And dahil sa mga ganyang developments, mas lalakas ang rental business na Solara Park Stories. We are now here at Nuvali Boulevard. At habang binabaybay natin ang Nuvali Boulevard, papunta sa Nuvali Central, isingit ko lang na we have 4 segments here in Nuvali, which is Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, where Solara Stories Nuvali is located, Nuvali South, kung saan located si Crisela, and Nuvali Heights. And as promised, magkakaroon ng expansion sa Ayala dito sa Nuvali Boulevard up to 6 lanes road. And sa left side naman natin, makikita natin na adjacent or nakahiga si Rockwell South dito sa Nuvali Boulevard na convenient din siya sa atin in the future as a Nuvali resident dahil magkakaroon tayo ng access sa establishment na magagagawin ng Rockwell dahil bali-balita na magkakaroon ng Rockwell Power Plant Mall doon. Grabe, no? Imagine living in a prestigious estate like this. We are now here at Central Block. Ang mga upcoming developments dito ay The Shops na parang mulito sa Alabang. Ang estimated completion date ay this second quarter of 2025. At ang nasa likod naman ng The Shops ay Mary Mart, which is grocery centers ng mga residents here in Central Block. Ang estimated completion date is also this second quarter of 2025. Imagine if you will going to have a grocery, you don't need to go in Nuvali North para lang mag-grocery dahil meron na kayo mismo dito sa Nuvali Central. Also, yung mga nakikita nyo na lots, ayan yung mga commercial spaces na magkakaroon ng mga banks, corporate offices, salons. So, pag may mga kailangan kayo, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta pa sa labas o sa Soledad Malls dahil meron na kayo dito sa Central Block. And dagdag ko lang na magkakaroon ng 2 hectares open spaces sa gitna ng mga yan. So imagine kung gaano ka-generous si Ayala pagdating sa mga open spaces. Dito na natin sa Central Block makikita ang Xavier School. And aside from the Xavier School, meron tayong Everest Academy and Miriam College sa Nuvali South. Aside from those schools, 10 minutes drive away from Soledad Malls, makikita natin si De La Salle University na open na and ongoing construction sa UST and UE. Those are the factors para mag-invest here sa Nuvali kasi ayun yung mga nakakadagdag sa market value appreciation, lalong-lalo na here in Central Block dahil malapit sa Solaria Park Stories Nuvali. We are now here at Solaria Park Stories Nuvali, the first ever pet-friendly condominium of Avida here in the Philippines. With a size of 1.7 hectares, 40% ay dedicated sa mga residential. Imagine kung gaano ka-generous si Ayala Land sa open spaces. Nilaunch si Solaria Park Stories Nuvali last March 2024. So isang taon pa lang pero nakikita nyo na ang improvement sa construction ng establishment. Dahil 100% budgeted si Ayala. Ngayon, ginagawa na nila ang Tower 1 na mayroong 16th floor. At alam niyo ba na ang estimated date na matatap off ang Solaria Park Stories Nuvali Tower 1 ay by October 2025. Pero dahil budgeted si Ayala at hindi tayo maasa sa monthly amortization para ipagawa ang building, I am happy to announce na matatap off na ang Tower 1 this March 2025. But first, why Solaria? Solaria is a green building. They have a rainwater harvesting system na nagko-collect ng mga tubig ulan na ginagamit para pandinig ng halaman, ginagamit sa flash, para makonserve ang sustainability here in Nuvali. Second, ang mga glasses ni Solaria Park Stories Nuvali is low emissive or tinted. So ang mga UV lights or UV rays na direct from the sun is nabablock ng mga glass. Next, merong mga motion detector si Solaria. So sensor or kapag dumadaan ka, automatic siyang nagbubukas to conserve the energy. And for you to appreciate more the importance of Solaria Park Stories here in Nuvali, magkakaroon tayo ng direct access here or bridge direct to SM Yulo Premier. 2 to 3 minutes drive na sa SM Yulo ka na. So imagine kung gaano kalakas ang rental business here para sa mga employees and staffs ng SM Yulo. And isa sa Solaria Park Stories Nuvali sa merong pinakamalaking centralized amenity. Dahil usually ang mga condo, ang amenity nila ay nasa tower. But here in Solaria Park Stories, ang amenity ay nasa landed. So it feels like you're still living in a subdivision. And also, lahat ng unit ay smart lock na. So safe and secure ang mga unit nyo. We are now here at Avida sa showroom at Soledad 1 para maipakita ko sa inyo ang model unit ng 1-bedroom and studio unit. Let's start here at our studio unit with balcony, and this is the specifications of the studio unit. Lahat ng makikita nyo dito is the actual finishes or the actual deliverable of the unit. Let's go! So we were greeted by the spacious hallway and the toilet and bath. So here sa toilet and bath, makikita natin na complete fixtures now. We have toilet, the sink, the tiles is ceramic tiles. Meron na tayong provision for water heater and washer and dryer. And makikita natin na ito ay GFCI outlet, which means kapag nagalaba tayo, natalsikan ng tubig, yung outlet, it will be automatically shut off to avoid accidents. So let's go here at the dining and living area. Here, makikita natin na ang actual deliverables, meron na tayong overhead cabinet, lower cabinet. Sa actual deliverable, meron tayong handle dito. And GFCI outlet para habang nagluluto, tatalsikan ng mantika, it will be automatically shut off. Dahil sa ibang condos, ang mga tiles nila is wood flooring. And kapag sinipsip ng tubig, magtataasan siya. While in laminated flooring, ang kagandahan is kahit mabasa siya, hindi siya magtataasan or hindi siya masisira. And dito makikita natin ang meron tayong beams and foundations. Usually sa ibang condo, sa mga showroom nila, hindi nila pinapakita yung mga ganyang partitions. Pero sa actual deliverable, meron. Here in Zalara Park Stories Nuvali, we want to set your expectations. Kaya sa showroom namin, sinasama na namin yung ganyang partitions. So dito makikita natin yung meron na tayong smoke detector, water sprinkle, and the provision for aircon is split type. Para mas ma-appreciate nyo ang aming studio unit with balcony, I will play a video of our dressed-up model for your visualization. This area can be your mini bedroom. Pwede tayong maglagay ng partitions dito for your bedroom. And since malaki pa naman and mataas yung floor to ceiling height, some clients ginagawa nilang loft type itong mini bedroom. Let's go to the balcony. Before we go to the balcony, makikita natin na meron tayong bintana dito and glass door. Ang mga glass natin dito is low emissive glass. Hindi siya or tinted glass para natatakpan or nabablock yung mga UV lights direct from the sun. And we are now here at the balcony. The balcony is 3.5 square meters. Makikita natin dito na very spacious lang, walang height kasi usually sa ibang condo, ang balcony ay ginagawa lang nila for lagay ng mga compressor. But here in Zalara Park Stories, we want you to maximize the space of the balcony. Maglagay tayo dito ng tables and chairs and mag-chill lang tayo while in-appreciate natin ang view ng amenities because we have choices to choose kung anong view yung gusto nyo depende on the unit, which is meron tayong unit na nag-facing amenities and meron naman tayong unit na facing Evo Living Parkway with the view of Mount Makiling. So now let's go ahead and tour our one bedroom with balcony. Our one bedroom unit with balcony is 35.8 square meters in size. Pagpasok natin, we will be greeted by our kitchen na again complete fixtures na, but since this is a dressed up unit, nilagyan to nila ng mga lutuan na, mga glass. The flooring is laminated flooring. And now let's go ahead and proceed to the living area. Living area and kitchen area is the size of 16.9 square meters. So dito sa mini living area, naglagay sila ng sofa, dining area para adjacent lang siya sa TV nila. At makikita natin dito sa left side ng ating toilet and bath. Let's now go here at our toilet and bath. Toilet and bath is 4.3 square meters. So dito, complete fixtures na. Naglagay lang sila ng partitions between shower and the toilet. Pero sa actual deliverable, we also have the provision for water heater and washer and dryer. Meron tayong toilet, sink, and naglagay lang sila dito ng mga cabinets para sa mga gamit. The theme of this dressed-up unit is Scandinavian theme. Very inviting and cozy lang yung vibe niya. So let's go to the bedroom. Wow! Very pleasing yung theme niya. Sobrang cozy and sobrang laki ng space niya. Makikita natin dito na ang ginawa nila sa dress-up unit. Naglagay lang sila ng painting above the bed para additional texture sa space. And meron na naglagay na rin sila ng mini cabinet plus the cabinet for the clothes. The size na kasya dito sa bedroom is queen size bed, but pwede nyo pa siya i-maximize because the size of the bedroom is 9.8 square meters. Here in the bedroom, meron din tayong window and glass door na low emissive glass and tinted glass na nagbablock siya ng UV lights or UV rays direct from the sun. We are now here at our balcony here in our one bedroom unit. So dito, ang size nito is 4.5 square meters. And ang sinabi ko kanina, ang atake na ginawa nila dito is the tables, merong chairs, para ma-appreciate natin yung views while drinking coffee or reading a book. You can get a unit here in Sodara Park Stories New Valley for as low as 13K per month after 10% spot down, but we also offer no down payment. And you can take advantage of our promo for as much as 200K before the price increase this May. Magpapahuli ka ba? Kaya for more information, message me at iMessage, Viber, WhatsApp at 0961-633-9132 or in my Facebook Messenger, Christina Arañez, or in my Facebook page, The Premier Estates. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is The Premier Estates, where every detail is designed to elevate your living experience.